She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Hidayah here. I hope you guys are healthy and staying at home. For today's look, I've decided to recreate the Foxy eye look. It's basically a recreation of Bella Hadid's signature look, and it just makes you look super snatched and gives you a very natural but defined eyes. If you want to see how I recreate this look, just keep on watching. I've already moisturized my face and I'm going straight in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer and apply it all over my face.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using this cheap eyebrow pencil from Daiso and it's only $2, but it has great pigmentation and I've been loving it so far. I'm going to draw short strokes to imitate my eyebrow hairs. If you can see, Bella Hadid usually has her eyebrows really snatched upwards and it has a very straight shade. So that is how I'm filling my eyebrows. Just going upwards and nothing too arched. I've seen other YouTubers shaving their brows just for this look, but I am definitely not going to do that. Instead, I'll just conceal the areas that's needed afterwards. Now it's time to conceal my eyebrows. I'm going to use my Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation to conceal my eyebrows. I'm not going to use a concealer because I don't have the right shade of concealer as of now, so this foundation will do. As usual, I'll keep my eyebrows very straight and snatched upwards.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Okay, now that I'm satisfied with how my eyebrows look, I'm going to move on with eyeshadows. Here I'm using the Morphe 350 palette, and I just love this palette because it has a lot of neutral tones and this will be the perfect palette for the Bella Hadid look. Anyways, I'm really sorry for the grainy video because I'm using my iPhone to film this look, and just make sure to turn on the highest quality to enjoy this video. I'm using this neutral brown shade to first carve the shape that I want to get, and just like the eyebrows, the eyeshadow needs to be slanted upwards, almost touching the end of my brows. This is to achieve the very foxy eye look, and I'm just gonna use a very light hand to sweep the color upwards and then bringing it into my crease. If you look at Bella Hadid's eyes, her shadows are very soft and faint. It's almost as if she's not wearing anything, so it's completely okay to not have your eyeshadows super pigmented. Next, I'm using a deeper brown shade, and with the same motion, I'm lightly sweeping this towards the end of my brows and bringing it into the crease. Again, it doesn't have to be super pigmented as this is just to create more shadows to deepen the eye sockets. You can definitely see the difference on both eyes now. See how it looks like when my eyeshadows are pointed upwards and the other side with no eyeshadows at all. Now I'm using an angled brow brush and dipping it into a dark brown shade for my eyeliner. I'm not gonna use black because I want to keep things soft and natural. And I'm gonna draw my eyeliner the same direction once again and taking it pretty up high. Don't worry too much if you mess up because you can always use your fingers to blend and redo it again. Taking a flat shadow brush, I'm going to blend my eyeliner a little more to diffuse it into my crease. And what I'm gonna do is basically to push the color towards the center of my eyelids. I'm not going to drag it all the way to the front because I want my eyeliner to not be so obvious. Going back into that same shade, I'm blending this color and bringing it into the front of my crease.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off.
I'm not completely done with my eyes, but I'll just go straight into my base. I'm using the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation once again, and I love this foundation so much because it has a little bit of shimmer to give me that glowy look. And I'm also adding on my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to achieve my current skin tone. Since I'm already mixing my foundation and concealer together, I'm not going to put on any additional concealer after this. And to set everything, I'm using Dark Cosmetics setting powder, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and powder the areas that I really need to. Going back to the eyes, and for some reason I want to add in a bit of shimmer, so I'm taking this golden shade and lightly pat it onto my inner portion of my eyelids, and I think this will help to tie the look together. Alright, so time for some falsies. These are actually from Daiso and it's only $2. It's super natural and I love the fact that it's actually flared outwards, so this is actually perfect for this look. And if you can see, Bella Hadid has her lashes really subtle, but you can definitely tell that the lashes that she's wearing is slightly flared outwards. And to be honest, I'm not really the best at putting on falsies, so I was actually really struggling to get my falsies stick onto my eyelids as close to my lash line. Now that I've put on my falsies, I'm going to take my trusty Maybelline eyeliner and fill in the gaps between my falsies, because you can really tell that I'm actually just wearing falsies and with no eyeliner, so it looks really weird. Now for the interesting part, I'm going back to the same Daiso eyebrow pencil, and I'm actually gonna use this to draw my inner corner for that foxy look. I'm basically extending my inner corners by drawing a small line downwards. It doesn't have to be a very long line, just a small line will do. Using the Dark Cosmetics You Glow Girl palette, I'm going to take this bronzer shade to slightly contour my cheeks. And the way that I'm contouring is slightly higher than usual. And this is actually to achieve Bella Hadid's super snatched cheeks.
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan. Oh!
And then using the blusher, I'm just going to pop it around my cheekbones.
Never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too? I be like shit, she could dance on a dick. Post a nigga chair and I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good, I be chillin' now. Got a big fucking booty, can you stick it?
And also not to forget highlighting the tip of my nose bridge, my cheekbones, and my brow bone as well. I actually forgot to put on mascara earlier, so I just quickly popped them onto my lower lashes. And we're finally onto the last step. For my lips, I'm mixing two Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Venus and Bombshell. I realized when I look at Bella Hadid pictures, her lips are always in neutral pinkish shade, which is why I decided to mix two colors to achieve that shade. And this is the final look. I'm actually so happy with how it turned out. I didn't realize it was actually super easy to recreate Bella Hadid's Foxy eye look. I initially thought that it was really hard, but now that I've tried it, it's actually pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial that I made, and if you do recreate her look, do feel free to tag me so that I can see all your beautiful looks, and I can't wait to see them. And as usual, I will link down all the products that I've used in the description box. If you have any questions, you can always let me know in the comment section and I will try to reply to you as soon as possible. Stay safe, stay home, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!